We'll be back here. Here, going to hotel. Upstairs. That's it. Here is in the hotel. That's it. Hotel. Travel B. It's Travel B Hotel. So I'm going back to my school. So everyone, here is very clean. Yeah, so I will walk back. I will walk back. So I'm here now waiting for my class. While waiting, so I make a video. Here is my school before when I was in caregiver. So I will have a training again now. So thank you so much everyone. So have a good afternoon. Have a good afternoon everyone. See you. This is Nels Solomon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.